Today we will discuss the electrophilic substitution reaction. So what do you mean by an electrophile? Electrophile means it is an electron deficient species. So any chemical reaction in which electrophile displays a group in a compound is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. For example, consider an alkyl halide Rx plus E plus, that is the electrophile, gives Re plus X plus. That means the X is replaced by the E. So this is generally an electrophilic substitution reaction. And we can classify the electrophilic substitution reaction into two. First one is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Second one is electrophilic aliphatic substitution. This classification is depend upon the starting material, nature of the starting material. And first of all, we will discuss electrophilic aliphatic substitution reaction. As we discussed in the aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, in the nucleophilic substitution reaction, we have SN1, SN2, SNI and SCT mechanisms. So similarly, in the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reaction, there are SE1, SE2, then SEI substitution reactions are available. So first we will discuss SE1 mechanism, electrophilic substitution reaction, that is SE1. So similarly, in the case of SN1, SC1 mechanism undergo through two steps. First one is the generation of the carboanion, and the second reaction is the reaction of the carbanion with the electrophile. So let me move into the first example, substitution electrophilic, and this is a unimolecular reaction, so it is represented as SE1. And first step is Rx dissociate into R dash R minus, that is carbanion is generated, plus X plus, that is the leaving group. Then second step, the carbanion is combined with the electrophile and to form Ry. So this is the general mechanism in SE1, and here this is a unimolecular reaction and reaction passing through a intermediate of carbanion. First step is the slow step in which the carbanion is generated. Now we are moving into the second electrophilic substitution, that is substitution electrophilic bimolecular, that is SE2. And if we are comparing the SN2 reaction, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction, we have already studied that in nucleophilic substitution reaction, the nucleophile will always attack from the back side of the direction of the leaving group. But here there are two different type of the SC2 reaction. First is the SC2 front side and the second one is the SC2 back side. So in the case of SN2, this SC2 reaction is also undergo through the intermediate transition state, and it will readily decompose to form the product. Then in the SC2 attack, if the electrophile attacking in the same direction of the leaving group, then we call it as SC2 front. So this is the first example in which Y plus is the electrophile and X is the leaving group. Y is liberated from the substrate at the same time the Y plus, that is the electrophile, is attacking the substrate in the same direction. So that's why it is known as SC2 front. Okay, then here since the electrophile and the leaving group are on the same side, so the configuration of the resulting product is the retention of the configuration. Next is the SC2 backside, in which the electrophile attack the starting material just opposite to the direction of the leaving group. That's why it is known as SC2 back, and the configuration is the inversion of the configuration will occur since the leaving group and the attack of the electrophile are on opposite side. So So in the SC1 reaction, there is a retention of the configuration occurs, whereas in the SC2 backside front side, the retention of configuration occur, and SC2 backside, the inversion of the configuration occurs. So the next category is the substitution of the electrophilic internal. As we discussed in the SNI, this is also an internal electrophilic substitution reaction, so it is named as SEI. So in some cases, the electrophile attack from the front, and there is some portion which is attached to the electrophile which assists the removal of the leaving group. For example, in this example, there is an electrophile Y plus and which is attached to a Z minus, and Z will pick up the leaving group X, and Z minus speed up the departure of the leaving group from the starting material. So the reaction will occur very fastly, and the product is Y. The electrophile combined with the starting material very easily. Since the attack is in the same direction of the leaving group, here also the retention of the configuration will occur. So in SC2 reaction, in conclusion, we have four different type of SC reaction. First one, SC1. So here the attack of the leaving group and the electrophile are on the same side. So second is the SC2 front, in which the leaving group and electrophile will attack on the same direction, so retention of configuration. And SC2 backside, the opposite direction of attack, so inversion of configuration occurs. And the last one is SEI, that is electrophilic substitution reaction in internal, so in which the electrophile and the leaving group attack on the same side. So here also the retention of the configuration. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you.